Hello, hello, my lovely viewers. This is Infinite Modesty Design, and this is my fabulous fashion cotton store final. Today's the final day, right?
Yes.
Final day, final class students. This is the beautiful outfit they made. This is Sabita,
Hi.
and this is Donna.
Hi.
All right, I'm so happy to have you guys in my class.
Thank you.
You guys, how long was the class?
Almost 6 months. 6 months.
Well, for you, it was
Yeah.
6 months.
Yeah.
Yeah, because Sabita was with me from since what, March?
March.
Yeah.
Almost 7 months.
Yeah, almost 7 months, so since March.
Yeah.
And Donna, how long have you been with Infinite Modesty
My
Design?
last course was just 3 months.
So the last course was 3 months,
Yeah.
but when you started was
18
2018,
to
and then you stopped and you came back and stuff. So
Yeah.
actually, Donna was actually one of my longest reigning students. But Sabita herself was actually the one that stood like every month she come back. But Donna had took a break.
yes, I did.
And then she come back. But overall, this is one of my longest, longest reigning students, I should say.
Yeah.
That's true.
Okay, so you guys say something. Say something about Infinite Modesty
So it
Design.
was a pleasure being here with Infinite Modesty Design. I learned to do lots of stuff. I learned to make my own outfit, which I'm very happy about. I learned to do sleeves.
Awesome. Pattern.
Sleeves pattern. I did
Uh-huh.
a skirt pattern, so I could
Uh-huh.
make myself my own skirt. I could make skirt for my family.
Yeah.
Stuff like that. I did tops. I did whole dresses.
So this is the dress that she made.
Yes.
Fabulous. 6-piece outfit.
Oh my God,
Fabulous.
six-piece skirt.
I am
And
telling
peplon.
you. And peplon, girl, give me a high five. And then out of the skirt pattern, you could make A-line skirt, circle skirt, because you learned the foundation, right?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. So Savita, what did you learn?
Yeah. This is like a sleeve pattern,
Uh-huh.
and which I made my own sleeve.
There you go. There you go.
And this is my skirt pattern.
All right.
So I can make my any skirts to my friends, family, and for me.
There you go.
And
So you learn about, in the
Yeah.
skirt, you learn about darts. You learn about how to put your own braid line, notches, cut and fold.
Yeah.
So now you can make your own pattern. You don't have to go to the store and buy any pattern anymore.
Yes.
You just make your own pattern.
So
Right?
It
Yeah,
was a
that's
pleasure being here. So just in case you need to learn to make your own outfit, you can apply to Infinite Modesty Design. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I'm twisted.
And here is a great opportunity if you want to make your own dress. Like before, I don't know nothing to sew anything and anything how to use the machine. But when I
Right.
come over here, I make almost my 6 dresses,
Mhm.
like skirt, blouse, gown, and this is the outfit that I made over here.
Mhm.
I love you. Like you guys enjoy.
So I'm just gonna show the outfit more tailored. You're able to see the full outfit. They made 6-piece skirts, fabulous,
And peplon blouse.
and peplon blouse. Uh-huh.
And it's the good thing, like when you know how to stitch, and then you can make your own pattern and own color and own design, which is the best thing. And you can make yourself so pretty.
Uh-huh. There you go.
Thank you, Gellis, like teaching us like wonderful things.
Of course. I
And
love
she's
you
the
guys.
best teacher. If you wanna know anything, please
Definitely.
come
Come
to
to
Infinite
Infinite
Modesty
Modesty
Infinite
Design.
Modesty Design.
Hey.
And just let them know about our sewing class for children.
Yes.
So we actually just launched a sewing class for children. So if you have children around 8 years old and up, definitely give us a call. What's the phone number? 416-742-9931. Infinite Modesty Design. Yay!
You can search in Google www.infinitydesign.
And Infinite Modesty
Modesty
Design.
Design.
There you go.
The location is very like famous, like it's nearby Yorkdale Mall. Like
Exactly.
you just drop over there and walk 10 minutes, so you'll be here.
Yeah, so
Thank you.
it's 14 Benford Avenue.
Yes.
So yeah, it's not too far, as Sabita said, not too far from Yorkdale Mall. Or if
Or
you know
Office
Office Road, I know
Yeah.
most of us know Office
Yeah.
Road. So yeah. And also this is a style I'm wearing as well. You can get it in our ST store. So if you're interested.
Sure.
All right. So any last word, guys? We're gonna say bye to our viewers.
Please, if you wanna like build your things, like you wanna fulfill your fashion design dream, so please come to the Infinity Modesty design.
There you
Please.
go. You're
Thank
having.
you, Gellis.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Yay!
Welcome.
Thank you, guys. I love you
You're
guys.
welcome. I love you too.
Bye.
Bye.